Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to link your Stripe to Tally without using Zapier completely free in 2025. So step 1, open your Tally.soft form and click on Integrations from the top menu. Step 2, scroll down and select Webhooks. This allows Tally to send form data to the other platforms without Zapier. Step 3, open your Stripe dashboard and go to your settings and then developers and then webhooks. And then click add endpoint and copy the URL that you will get from the next step. Step 4, use make or public connect and then set up a scenario or workflow that receives data from Tally's webhook. And then add or create the webhook. Step 5, configure the trigger in make or public to webhook received, and then select Stripe as the next step. Step 6, map the data, like name, amount, and email, from the Tally form to Stripe's create payment link or create customer action. Step 7, test the workflow by submitting a Tally form. The linked Stripe action should now trigger without using Zapier. And now, your Tally forms are connected to Stripe without any paid automation tools. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.